Hey, this is Diabetic Game Guy, and this is my income report for January 2024. Overall, it was an incredible month. My year-over-year profit was up 807%. I saw increases in display ads, affiliate sales, sponsorships, and I cut my expenses by 47%. Let's dive into the numbers. This year's affiliate sales were $76.43 compared to $70.49 last year, roughly an 8% increase. This year, the sponsorship paid $200 compared with only $100 last year. Display ads came in at $39.36 compared to only $7.48 last year. The main driver of why my display ads went up so much is that I moved all my sites to Ezoic, and that's been a game changer for me. My revenue for January 2024 was $315 compared with only $177 for last January. I cut my year-over-year expenses from $151 to $60. The main difference is that I canceled my Jasper subscription that cost $120. This took up the lion's share of my expenses. Canceling that freed up a lot of money in my budget to spend on other tools that are much more helpful. I'm not done lowering my expenses. I have a subscription to Descript that I spend $15 a month on, and I'll be canceling that in a few days too. As I've gotten better at editing, I just don't get the value out of that tool that I once did. This makes my profit this year $235 compared with only $25 last year. January was a very busy month. I didn't spend any time on my blogs. They just haven't recovered from helpful content update, and honestly, I don't know what to do. Instead, I've been focusing on making a lot of videos. My other YouTube channel just crossed the 1,000,000 view mark, and it's got nearly 7,000 subscribers in just about 5 months. I've seen so much more success on that channel than I have anything else I've created, so I'm spending as much time there as I can. In addition to my other YouTube channel, I created 100 videos for Humix, which is Ezoic's video platform, and I created videos for the Amazon Influencer Program. I really enjoy creating those videos, although I haven't seen a lot of earnings yet. I really like the Amazon Influencer Program, but I'm spending a lot of time focusing on learning and increasing my skills to make the best possible videos there. I've had a lot of fun this month. I really enjoy making videos. I'm not earning a huge amount of money, but that's okay. I just try to get better each month and continue putting in the work the best of my ability. One day I'll get there, but until then, I'll just enjoy the journey. So thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.